Why did I choose ACI Learning Tech Academy? Why, in my process of looking for a tech school to get my education, ACI was everywhere. And so as I researched ACI, I saw that all of the instructors had the certifications that I was looking to get training in, and that was a plus for me, as well as real world experience to back those certifications. And so it was a short commute, and it turned out to be a great experience for me. I completed the Computer User Support Specialist program known as the CUSS. It was 11 weeks. My primary instructors were Gina Goodwin and Robin Lee. They really had the ability to hold our attention. Being that it was a night class, a lot of folks were kind of tired from working all day and then coming in from 6 to 10 at night. But they were able to hold our attention, make the material that they were teaching exciting, and they added their real world experience, which added to the value of the experience. And I just can't say thank you enough. My current role is as a career mentor for ACI, and life has been great. It's given me the opportunity to give back and actually help students find their first roles for those that don't have experience. And the experience that I gained coming out of ACI, going to work for SMS, Information Info Systems, I think that it puts me in a position to be able to provide value to the feedback that I give the students. And so I love what I do. I would say thank you for always being willing to clarify the information that was presented. And thank you for your real world experience, tying it into the curriculum, which made it a lot clearer for us to understand. My name is Aria Jefferson, and I am an ACI Learning graduate.